election is only 3 months away. With this ample time left, we must be aware of each candidate's background. After being aware, we must decide and finalize who we think is suited for the position.
As a youth, we must be fully aware of the social and economic changes of the country. Yes, it is up to us to know by heart who is the rightful one to be voted.
Tomasians are well known for their awareness in political and social changes. We are imbued with wisdom and righteousness that help us generate wise decision making.
The one to be voted must be true to his route. He who will be responsible for all his steps. He who will serve his people with full force and honest intentions. All of this must be present for him to become a worthy candidate.
Indeed worthy to rule, to govern, and serve his fellow Filipinos. This concept made us curious on what is on the minds of our fellow Tomasian students. Let us discover and unveil the truth to this question. As a Tomasian youth, what is your role in the elections?
Siyempre, as a youth, marami kasing first-time voters ngayon. So, as a youth, usually, yung mga kabataan ngayon, pare-parehas sila ng taste and vote. And nagmamatter yun kasi kung susundin talaga namin yung gusto namin voto, definitely, malaki yung mag-epekto dun sa mag-results ng elections.
Yung boto ko. Kasi kahit na isang boto lang yun, kapag pinagsama-sama yung youth, yung boto na youth, siguro mapipili natin yung tamang candidates na talagang dapat yung deserving manalo for change.
Role ko bilang youth ay to make a difference. Yes, paano? Kasi sa mundo ngayon, sa Philippines, maraming children, maraming bata, kasi productive, alam mo naman, ayun, maraming bata, so, diba, majority, so, malaki yung percent natin sa lipunan, kaya, malaki talaga yung magagawang difference kung mag-vote yung
As a youth, what I could do for the election is that I will vote wisely and I'll make sure the president deserves to lead the Philippines.
Ang role ko ay makinig. Kasi ako ang simula. Ako ang simula! Ako ang simula! Uy!
Ngayong nalalapit na ang eleksyon, ang lahat ay naghahanda na para sa kauna-unahang automated election sa bansa.
May bilog na hugis itlog. Mare, may kukwento ko sa'yo, pwede. Oo naman, mare, pwede! May bilog na hugis itlog. May bilog na hugis itlog. Ang kailangan sa bilog ay simple-simple lang. Itikman, i-shake, loob ng bilog. Hanapin ang bilog sa tapat ng pangalan ng kandidatong napupusuan. Ang loob ng bilog na hugis itlog. Kung si bilog ka na